3COMMAS versus Pionex. Best crypto trading bot. I'm going to tell you which crypto trading bot is better between 3COMMAS and Pionex. 3COMMAS is a powerful trading platform that supports over 16 exchanges, including Binance, Bitfinex, and Bitrex. It offers customizable bots like DCA, grid, and options bots, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. Pricing starts at $14.50 per month with a free plan offering limited features. Pionex, on the other hand, is a crypto exchange with 16 built-in free trading bots such as grid, leverage grid, and spot futures arbitrage bots. It charges a low trading fee of 0.05% per trade and is suitable for beginners looking for a cost-effective solution. In summary, choose 3COMMAS if you require advanced features and integration with multiple exchanges. Go for Pionex if you're seeking a beginner-friendly platform with free bots and low trading fees.